Powerful tornadoes hit the southern United States. During a tornado, follow these safety tips. Take shelter, basement or bedroom are best. Avoid windows. Listen to the news. If you are outside or in a car, seek shelter in a sturdy building and leave the vehicle. Tornadoes swept through several southeastern states, flipping cars and leaving homes. In Kansas, more than 55 vehicles collided due to a dust storm. More than 250,000 homes in 7 states, including Michigan, Missouri and Illinois, were without power overnight and Sunday. Further severe weather is expected in the region, with tornado warnings issued for eastern Louisiana, western Georgia, central Tennessee and western Florida. A dust storm in Texas Friday night caused a pileup involving about 38 vehicles. The destructive storms have sparked more than 100 wildfires in several central states and flipped several semi-trucks.